Hello, and welcome to Rubel's Rambles here at the Maycomber Center. So, this week, in the evening sky, you can see 3 planets. So, the first and probably easiest to see, although the other one's pretty easy too, is Mars. So when the sun goes down around like an hour and a half after sunset, if you look in kind of the southwestish place, it'll look pretty red. As you can see, there's also Saturn over to the right of it, a good amount, and also lower in the sky. It is also pretty bright. They should be pretty apparent if you just have a fairly clear horizon and just look. They're the 2 brightest things that are in the sky at that time, except for the moon. The moon will be going by them in the next few days. So if you look night after night, you can see the movement of the moon relative to Saturn and Mars. Also, below Saturn, you can see that there's Antares, which means like Mars, Ares being the Roman version of Mars. It, as you may notice, also looks kind of reddish orangish. It is a star though, and it is a giant star. Its radius is around 3 times the size of the orbit of Earth. It's an insanely big star. It's around 5,500 light years away, and it emits like 10 to 30,000 times the light of our sun. So it's really an insanely huge star. So check those out. Also, this may be better like 45 minutes after sunset, but Venus will be visible in the west. So you may wonder where I'm getting all these pictures from. It's an app called Sky Guide. It's really good for finding stuff in the sky. Saturn and Mars you should probably be able to find just by pausing the video or even just going out and looking there because they're so bright. Venus, it might be helpful to try to find other stars and orient yourself. Although if you go out soon enough and have a nice clear western horizon, you should be able to find it without it. Because Venus is the 3rd brightest natural object behind the sun and the moon in the sky. So yeah, check out the moon, Mercury, Venus, not Mercury, sorry, I lied. The moon, Mars, Saturn, Venus, and Antares, and clear skies.